Shaanxi Province, China, 1974. 2 teeth about 3 inches long are discovered by researchers in the pagoda of Fogong Temple, believed to be from the Buddha himself. After being sent to a lab in Antwerp, Belgium for analysis, a startling discovery was made. After staining one of the teeth and looking at it under a microscope, small pearl-like structures called cerera are found. These mysterious crystal-like beads are typically found in the cremated remains of Buddhist spiritual masters. Analysis of them reveals that they are harder than diamonds and not a material of this world. The sacred objects are believed to embody the spiritual knowledge, teachings, realizations, and living essence of spiritual masters. When researchers took a closer look at the individual cerera, they made an even more baffling discovery. There appears to be 5 Buddhas sitting in the lotus position. What could this possibly mean? The number 5 holds tremendous significance in nearly all Buddhist traditions. Could this be an affirmation of the 5 precepts every Buddhist layperson must follow in order to reach nirvana? Or is there some other type of meaning? Devotees believe anyone in their presence will receive healing and be revealed teachings in the mind stream. Monks who watch over the tooth claim it has been continuously growing over the last 2,500 years. 9 other temples and spiritual sites around the world are also reputed to have Buddha's tooth and claim the same supernatural powers.